Hello everyone, I hope you all are doing great. So, welcome to my another video. So, as you know, my name is Preeti Singh. So, guys, today I am going to talk about how reading book is going to help you if you are read book everyday English book and which all book you want to read. So, reading book is very important in our English journey. Why? Because if your tongue is get habitual reading book and your muscles is going habitual to reading book, so whenever you want to talk in front of camera and someone else, so you can pronounce the word in right way. If you are feel I pronounce the word in wrong way, so you can search it in Google. So why I'm recommended to reading book is very helpful, because many people are doing these things. So that's why I shared with you, and I had my experience, because I have been reading book since 2-3 months. So that's why I'm recommended this technique with you. So guys, if you are read book every day, so uh, which things you do for your English speaking and your what can I say, which all practice do you in your way. So include your journey reading book, because reading book is very helpful. Earlier days I didn't read a book because I didn't like that time, but nowadays I'm reading book because if I want to improve my English, so the thing is book reading is going to help somehow, because I have I I can see the results on myself. So that's why I'm shared with you. So guys, you can read any book which you want to read, that is fictional books and stories books and self-help books. So which book you want to reading, so you can read. So that's why I recommended this book technique. So guys, why I'm share with you these things, because I have a book, you can see, because this is a front of camera, so you can see this in like this. But this book is written by Robin Sharma. So you can buy which book you want to read, and if you don't understand the paragraph properly and the sentence properly, so you can search it in Google Translate, and which word you don't know and which word you don't understand the meaning of properly, so you can mark it, and later you can search on the Google. So that's why you can improve your uh, word meaning also, because if you are doing daily reading practice in like 15 minutes, so that is enough. Which time you have to reading book, so you can utilize on this book. And guys, I had read so many, can't say, but I had read three books. So that's why I've shared with you. But I don't haven't practiced since 3 months, so that's why I little bit nervous about the camera, and as well what can I say, it can say lack of practice, because if you skip your practice, so you don't feel confident, because you if you are not consistent in your journey, so you forget everything. So that's all things happened with me, because you can see the videos on my channel. I not connected my channel since I think 2.5 months. so that's why I didn't any practice. But now I do continue my journey and also make my video. So I can't say I am a perfect in this language, but I can say I know, I understand the properly English and I can say something. And this this that much English is enough for me now, and I hope I will be soon fluent in this language. And later I reached intermediate level, so I can say that time what all things gonna help me. So guys, I want to share this all things which I shared with you. So reading books is very important, but you can do all practice which is the need in English journey. So guys, that's all for today, and I'll meet you in the next video. And if I do any mistakes, so you can correct me. So guys, that's all for today. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.